bakit ka kikiling sa isang superpower na kalaban nung may problema ka? Kumaga, may problema tayo sa China. So bakit tayo kampe sa US? Parang magkaroon ka naman ng dignidad as a country. Huwag yung parang, ano ba yung magtago ka sa saya ng iyong nanay? Ano bang saying yun? Oo, magtago ka sa saya ng iyong nanay. Hindi. You stand on your own and face China with regard to your issues in the West Philippine Sea. You don't lean towards another superpower and say na, oh, please help me because he is bullying me. Yun. We have our Filipino pride. And in international relations, kung wala kang away, wag mo simulan yung away. You always need to cultivate good relations with not just your neighbors, but the entire global community.